Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone.
Hi.
Today we are going to explain about our subject. Our subject today is analytical explanation that talk about flood. First, let me introduce our group. My name is Haidar Zaki. I'm here as a moderator, and my friends are.
My name is Nadia Al-Khalili. My name is Elsa Fabiani. My name is Renata Wahyuanda Azara.
We are going.